Hi, I'm Dr. Deeke, and today we're going to go over all of our veterinarian recommended solution supplements, why we recommend them, and what they do to help your pet. The reason why we recommend VRS supplements is for three main reasons. One is that they are all third party tested for no heavy metals and no toxins. Two, they're also tested for pesticides and no chemicals, as well as number three, they are third party tested for purity. They also readily give out that information, so you can request it online and you can look at their trials to make sure that they actually are doing the test for purity. So you're getting what they say you're getting in the supplements. So the first supplement we'll talk about are two skin supplements. The first one is Omega, and Omega is in the form of a liquid or capsules, and this actually is for dogs or cats. So liquid comes in hypoallergenic or beef flavor. And the purpose of this is to nourish your skin. So if you have itchy dogs or cats, or if you have any dry, flaky skin, these are supplements for your pet. They also have added cardiovascular and joint supplement benefits, but mainly what we use them for are for allergy dogs or dogs with itchy skin or irritated skin or very sensitive skin. It calms their skin down, it maintains normal histamine levels, and it also helps with, like I said, cardiovascular and joint health as well. Cutaneo is an added supplement that we usually use the two of these together. Cutaneo is a vitamin E supplement that helps with really irritated, inflamed skin. A lot of times with dogs and cats, if you have allergies, the skin is so itchy because of a vitamin E deficit. So if you have a deficiency, we're supplementing vitamin E to help nourish and calm down that skin. Sometimes dogs and cats are okay with just one, but a lot of times if they have skin issues, the two of these do great with maintaining them together. With any skin supplement, give it a month or two before you call it quits if you don't see any improvement, because it does take a while for the skin to regenerate, to respond, and also for them to see, for you to see visible side effects and them to see relief. It's definitely not an overnight success or an overnight transformation. Our next two supplements go together as well, although they can be used individually. One is EndoBlend liquid, and this is actually a CBD derivative product. It works on the endocannabinoid system of the nervous system, which helps with decreasing anxiety, stress. It has been shown to help discomfort as well, like very mild discomfort, in addition to helping calm their nerves so that we see a decrease in those separation anxiety behaviors, different travel anxiety behaviors, storm anxiety behaviors, that type of thing. This actually is, like I said, a CBD derivative product. It does not have THC. So that's very important because a lot of the over-the-counter CBD products have THC or a small percentage of THC, which animals should not ingest. THC over time can accumulate in their system and cause more of a sedative and drowsy effect. In addition to, it's been shown to show liver side effects as well. So this does not have any THC. It just does the CBD side effects and benefits without the heavy sedation and without kind of the drugged looked behavior of THC. So this is liquid. It can be given orally straight in their mouth or squirted onto their food or a treat or something to get them to eat it. This is a dog only product. Tranquillium as well is a dog only product. This actually is a chew, so it tastes great. They should just eat it like a treat. This is actually for more mild stress and anxiety. So what we would use this for is if they just need a little bit of a daily dose of something to relieve separation anxiety when you leave the house, or if they're traveling and they're nervous in the car, you can use that as well. I would say it's a little bit of a lesser effect with calming than the EndoBlend. Both of them together can be used as well, but this is more of a daily kind of decreasing anxiety and stress supplement. Our next supplement is Entero powder. This is okay to give for dogs and cats. And it's actually just a powder that you sprinkle on their food once a day. It's not flavored, but it actually tastes great. We have no problems with dogs or cats eating it. And this has two major purposes. One is it helps with normal GI gut flora. So it helps with dogs that potentially have chronic upset stomachs, possibly off and on vomiting and or loose stools or diarrhea. This helps to regulate the good bacteria that sometimes is overwhelmed by the bad bacteria within the gut. The second huge benefit is oral health. So this also does a great job of protecting the good bacteria in the oral cavity. So yes, of course, it's great to brush your dog's teeth daily or give dental chews like Oravet chews, which actually help to decrease tartar plaque and gingivitis. But this is an easy, no fuss maintenance to just give your dog with a powder or cat once a day. Give them the increased benefit of healthy teeth and gums, decreasing periodontal disease, and also helping with their breath. So this is the second best thing to brushing daily. And also you can give it as well to help with GI and oral flora, even if you do brush daily. But this is an easy supplement that you can give with two huge added benefits for your pet's health. Our next supplement is Hepato. And Hepato is a liver supplement that has glutathione in it, which is extremely beneficial for helping to detoxify the liver. So if we have any liver disease or chronic liver conditions, this is excellent to give to dogs and cats to help with the detoxification process, as well as helping maintain a normal cleansing of the liver. The huge benefit of this is that you do not have to give it fasted. A lot of liver supplements you have to give on an empty stomach, which is extremely difficult to get any dog or cat to eat a pill, especially if it's not flavored without any food to disguise it. So this can be given along with your regular meals, and it is given once a day, which significantly helps with helping the liver to detoxify what it can't because of an underlying liver issue or disease. Our next supplement is Flow Dog, and like the name says, this is just for dogs. It's a chew that is given once a day. It's flavored, it tastes great. They will take it easily as a little extra treat. And what this does is it helps with decreasing chronic urinary issues such as urinary tract infections, bladder stones, bladder crystals, urinary incontinence, vulva infections that create ascending infections to the bladder. Anything that is a chronic urinary issue, this will help decrease the bad bacteria that's overwhelming the good bacteria within the bladder, decrease inflammation, help muscle tone, normal cleansing, and just in general help with decreasing those flare-ups of the urinary tract signs that dogs can have. The cat version is called Flow Cat, and this is a powder. They take it great. Like I said, this is just for cats, and it's powder sprinkled onto their food once a day. Cats are very prone to cystitis, which is an inflammation of the bladder. A lot of times that is stress related. So this helps to increase a calming demeanor and effect within cats, decreasing bladder symptoms such as cystitis, inflammation, irritation, infection, but also decrease their stress level, which decreases the chance of that antagonizing the bladder and causing them to have more urinary issues because of abnormal stressful situations. So this is very easy to give to your cat. It has great added benefits, especially with cats that are prone to bladder stones, bladder infections, but most importantly, bladder obstructions. So male cats are very prone to urinary obstructions or urinary issues that create obstructions. So this is something easy that you can give once a day that decreases the chance of those disease flare-ups. Our next supplement is called Glandies. This is made in a bigger bottle for big dogs with bigger chews or a smaller bottle with smaller chews for smaller dogs. This is only for dogs, and it helps with anal gland function. So it has sweet potato, pumpkin, as well as apple fiber to help increase the stool bulkiness. Does not make their stools firm, it makes them bulkier so that they are able to easily express the anal glands on their own as they defecate. So it's best started after you've completely expressed their anal glands at your veterinarian's office, because it doesn't empty what's already in there. We want to start on a clean slate where the anal glands are completely empty, but this decreases the buildup of anal gland secretions within the anal sacs, and that decreases the chance of them having infections, impactions, or irritation due to full anal sacs. So if they get their anal glands expressed regularly, or if they have anal gland irritation, infection, if you notice scooting, licking, chewing at their rear end, talk to your veterinarian and see if this would be a good supplement for them. It's made for an easy once a day chew and really decreases the irritation and the buildup of those anal sacs. Our next supplement is Osteo. This is a joint supplement. It's safe to give both dogs and cats. It's a little chew that looks similar to something like a sweet tart. They eat it daily. Usually dogs and cats take it very well. The active ingredient is called green-lipped mussel, which contributes to the most potent form of a joint supplement called glycoprolex. And the point of this is not to reverse arthritis or cure it in any way. It's something that we're just decreasing the progression of arthritis. The point of this is to help keep the synovial fluids nice and lubricated so that dogs and cats can continue their mobility. It helps to decrease their stiffness, the slowness to rise, other arthritic signs that you're seeing with them slowing down. And like I said, it's easily administered once a day. It's just a chew. This is usually our baseline go-to beginner for any dogs or cats that are showing arthritic symptoms. There are several other things we can do on top of this as they get older and if their arthritis progresses. But this is a good first line of defense, very easily to give and very easily taken by pets. So we've learned a lot today about all of our Veterinarian Recommended Solutions brand supplements. These are all prescription only. We do take pride in the quality of our supplements, so please come in, ask your veterinarian about that. These also are available to ship directly to your home and also available to order via an online website once they have a prescription set up through your veterinarian. So please call or text or come in to ask us about any of these joint supplements. We're happy to go over them with you.